Hello there! Welcome to YouTube Hop by crafters from Craft Collaborators with the theme of Christmas home decor. And you are here with me, Sneha. I have decorated a candle using mixed media. Before we proceed to the making of the candle, I ask you to please make sure to read all the details of the hop given in the description box below. So sit back and enjoy this video now. So for making this decorative candle, I'm using a white pillar candle, and to start, first I'm using modeling paste and plaster of Paris and mixing them to make texture paste. Using a palette knife, I'm applying this texture paste all over the candle and creating a base layer. I'm also making some indentations in the texture paste layer with the palette knife, and I will let it dry thoroughly. After the texture paste is thoroughly dried, the candle is ready to go on to the next step. Here I am applying a layer of satin varnish with the help of a dry brush. This will help to protect the withering of texture paste and will create a barrier between the acrylic paint and texture paste. It will also help in easy of washing the acrylic paint when I will wipe it with the wet wipe. You will see it in the next step. After the layer of varnish dries, I am applying a coat of acrylic color. Here I am using the Tuscan red color from Apple Barrels to give it some Christmassy and some iron oxide look. The layer of acrylic color on the candle is dry, and now let's distress the color using a wet wipe. I'm rubbing this wet wipe all over the color. I'm just being a little precautious here to be light-handed, otherwise the color may come off completely. I will allow the candle to sit for a few minutes after this. Next, I'm highlighting the indentations on the textures using metallic gold acrylic color. For elements here, I'm using some pre-made mold laces in swirl design, and I'm coloring them with the same metallic gold acrylic color. We'll allow them to dry. Meanwhile, I am sticking fabric lace around the candle. Then next, I am adding more laces, followed by some florals and other embellishments, and arranging them wisely up to my liking. Lastly, I am applying some mixed gold metal leaves with the help of glue and will gently brush them off after the glue dries. I'm also adding some fairy dust powder to give the floral some glittery look, and this will complete my candle. I hope you all enjoyed this Christmas candle decoration with me. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to visit the next artist in the Hoopla to enjoy all their work. Bye bye.